So you want to add a new task to your business. You figure, let me go over and tell my team what to do. They'll do it. And in 2 weeks, you're going to come to me because you're frustrated because your team is not listening to you. And really all that happened is you forgot to follow the 7 steps of adding a new task to your business. So let's talk about what the 7 steps are. Number 1, combine. Is there something that they are already doing that will accomplish, with a slight tweak, accomplish this new thing that you want them to do? Why do we want to combine first? Because as a team, it's annoying to have to do a whole separate task when it could have just been part of this thing that you're already doing over here. Takes less mental space, takes less time, and it feels less repetitive, so you dread it less in the day-to-day. So first thing you're going to do, can this be something that I just tweak another workflow that we have and add it in over there? Next thing you're going to do is define. So once you determine, you know what, this isn't something that I can just combine with something else. This has to be its whole other task. You're going to define it. So you're going to think about what information do they need to know in order to do this task? How exactly are they going to do this task? What are the steps? What are they going to log into? What are they going to click? How are they going to label things? How are they going to, if they need to send out an email script, what email script are they going to send? If they're calling to qualify a lead, what questions are they asking to qualify the lead, right? You're going to define what it means to do that task. And once you figure that out, you're going to document it. This part is going to save you because once you do all this work, you don't want to have to tell every single new person that comes in your business. So you're going to document it. You're going to write it out. Written in video works best because different people learn in different ways. You're going to keep it short and to the point. Don't write them a 10-page essay. Should be able to fit hopefully on 1 to 2 pages. Tell them exactly everything you figured out under define. Answer all their questions before they even ask you. And this is going to be a bonus because I didn't even put this on the list. As they ask you questions, make sure you update your document so that you get less questions in the future. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to schedule. So you said you wanted this task done in your business. Well, when? Do you want it done every day? Do you want it done every week? Once you figure out how often you want it done, you need to go and put that on your task manager. So make sure that it pops up for them to do. Bonus points if you can link the task to the document. So the way that we do it is task manager has usually some kind of a description field, and you link the task, link the document that tells them what they're doing to the task that tells them when they're doing it. Then you're going to notify. This is when you're talking to your team. This is not when you're coming to your team and saying, hey, I have something new for you. No, you're going to wait until step 5, and then you're going to notify the team. And you're going to say, hey, I just added this task to your task manager. Here's how to do it. Let me know if you run into any issues or you have any problems. And your team might say, yeah, but what about this, this, and this, and this? And what you're going to do is you're going to actually take their input into consideration and see if you need to revise the schedule or the documentation before that task goes live. Number 6, we're going to audit. Okay, so you told your team that you want this task done Monday through Friday every single week. You're going to be checking at the end of the week that it was done. You're going to check that they marked off on their schedule. You're going to check to see if they made any comments on your document. You're going to check to see if the task was actually completed, and you're going to do that until you feel comfortable and confident that it's actually getting done. And then you're going to evaluate. So maybe it's in 2 weeks, maybe it's in 6 months. That's up to you. But you want to see, has this task proven to be effective? Did it solve whatever issue that I was having at this step, right? When I was up here and I was thinking, I really want to give my team more work. You're going to go and say, did that task actually help me, actually help the business? And if not, then you might revisit how you do it, when you do it, and if you do it.